I am live. Hi Tarun. Hi Lavanya. Hi, hi Sheetal, Montu, Samina. Hi. I'm glad you are here. I hope you all are there for this session. It's a very impromptu live. Hi Tasneem. This was not announced before. Just wanted to do a live and interact with all of you. We've heard a news of Sushant Singh Rajput today. Hi Shruti. Hi, mess of a kind. I had reached out to. I'm so sorry if I haven't got back. I'm so sorry about it. Might have not. Okay, I did reply to you. Thank you. I'm glad that guidance helped you. I have to be more loud. Okay. Can you hear me? I hope I'm audible now. I'm trying to be. I did multiple times. I'm sorry because your name coming over here is mess of a kind. So I hope you tell me your name so I know who you are. Maybe you can send it privately. I'm glad I could be of help to you. Uh, I would like to hear thoughts. Hi Rinku, hi Nikita, Rinku. Pia, hi Pia. Yes, I remember you. Um, I am going to talk about the thing that has happened. Hi Dimple. Hi Khushlood. Okay, I'm glad you could hear me now. Thank you so much for telling me that you couldn't hear me and I could be loud. So, this is a very impromptu live. Hello, Sheetal. As I said, I want to interact with people. I want to see what you all are feeling. Hi, Ashish. I am here as a psychologist to help answer questions about mental health and suicide. From the time that news has happened around 3:30, I was in middle of a session. I finished my session and I saw messages and messages on my WhatsApp asking why, why this, why with a photo of Shushant. Hi Anchal, hi Ashish. Thank you for joining in. So this is people who are joining in. Just want to tell you, please put in your thoughts of what you're feeling about the suicide news of Sushant, a well-known actor, Bollywood actor, extremely talented, successful, पैसा, fame, नाम, fan following, सब कुछ था. फिर ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Why did this happen? So my question and my anger as a professional is not about why it happened to him. My anger comes to public, to our audience, and that's why I wanted to do this live impromptu, because of course it did impact me. But as a professional, it impacted me more because people always ask this question: why he committed suicide after a suicide is done? Why don't we talk about mental health even before that? Why can't we identify the signs and symptoms of people who are going through mental health problem? Do you really think it's a suicide? I don't even want to comment on do I really think if it is a suicide. Okay, if people are talking about it's a suicide, he hanged himself, he is not the only one committing suicide. We have people committed suicide even before that. Okay, so every time there is a news going viral everywhere when they talk about कि जब कोई मर गया, किसी ने सुसाइड कर लिया, तब हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. एंड आई एम नॉट बीइंग इनसेंसिटिव हियर बट वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. नाउ दैट पर्सन कमिटेड सुसाइड, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम इट? दैट्स द बेस्ट यू कैन डू. You can't go and save that life. Okay, hi Shreyas for joining. So I want to ask you all, why don't we talk about mental health? I have a lot of you guys live with me right now. I really want you all to tell me, why can't we focus on mental health before when something like this happens, and then we talk about it, and that too we only talk about it जब भी कोई celebrity ने कर दिया है. Depression, was he unwell mentally? Someone who commits a suicide gives signs that he was crying for help, or maybe he wanted to talk to somebody, maybe he was going through loneliness, maybe he was depressed. Now all these questions are unanswered. You know why? Because that person is no more. So nobody can answer this apart from he himself. You need to understand that part, that that person is gone now. Now who will answer this? Now you can just have your own theories. Usko depression tha, maybe he wanted to say something, maybe he wanted to go out. The problem is the stigma attached. Yes, thank you Pia for saying this. Stigma also does not let people talk, go out and speak up that, you know what, you're emotionally unwell. I want to talk to somebody. If you can't afford a paid professional, trust me, there are people who are running free mental health helpline in India, around the world. Suicide helplines are there. Why can't we just go and speak to somebody and say, you know what, I am sad. You know what, I'm not feeling good. You know what, I'm feeling lonely. This is, I think, my anger, and also maybe I'm a little frustrated with listening to all of these things when people talk about suicide after it has happened. But they don't talk about mental health so much and say, you know what, he was feeling suicidal, he was feeling little low. What did I do for it? What did you do for somebody who was sad around you? You know why we can't do anything? Because हमको पता ही नहीं है. I'm going to continue my venting out, but I'm going to see what Tasneem has written over here. um, Depressing, I wanted to say, people with mental health go to their friends, all they say is get over it, and then they have no choice but to shut down and lead to this. So go to trained professionals. Thank you Tasneem for putting this out for me, this point that आप दोस्तों से बात करते हो, अगर वो नहीं help कर पा रहे हैं, please talk to a professional. As I said, there are professionals available for free, there are professionals available for paid service, and if you cannot afford a paid service, talk to a free mental health professional. There are helplines running, suicide helplines running. Please call them. I call Asra, Samaritans. These are few names I can just give you like this. If you Google it, come on, how many things do you Google in a day? Can't you just Google one thing and give it to your friend? If you can't help your friend because you're not trained, give them a helpline number. Stigma also, people, others don't understand. Yes, we don't understand about mental health. This is what one person has commented here. So if we don't understand, let's start doing this. I think this is a call that high time now we start understanding that mental health is extremely important. Hi Santosh for joining in. Hi Rachel, thanks for joining in. Kshitij, hi. I have always tried to make people share their thoughts, but they just won't open up. Okay, if you feel you've been of help to somebody and people haven't opened up, you know what? Give them a number. They might reach out to that number when they need. Tell somebody in the family to look after them. You know, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी ब्रेक करो, अगर उन्होंने आपको सीक्रेट्स बताए हैं वो जाके बोल दो, बट यू कैन जस्ट टेल समवन टू लुक आफ्टर देम, राइट? हाय नम्रता फॉर जॉइनिंग इन. I have Disha here. Shreyas, yes. How do we change this? They won't go to trained professionals also. Just want to sit there on their thoughts. What do you really help? How do you help each other? So one, if somebody you're going out to and does not want to come to you and does not want to talk to you, उनको 3-4 नंबर निकाल के दे दो, बोल दो, you know what, when you need someone, please talk to professionals, these are our number, and tell somebody in the family, as I said earlier, to look after them. Okay, if they live alone, tell their best friend, just have a check on them, that's it. Okay, and telling them I am here for you means a lot. We can figure this out together means a lot. Hi Suraj for joining in, thank you so much for joining here. Abdisha, I have got Yogita, Tasneem. I think you're trying to answer to Priya, cause scared of being forced to be normal. Thank you for giving out my number, Tasneem, that you do that for people. But yes, sometimes people get pressured, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग ये बोलते हैं कि हाँ ये तो normal है, कि तो ठीक है यार, मतलब सबके साथ होता है, why you taking so much pressure about it, you know? So ऐसा सब भी होता है. I know people are scared that, oh, maybe I am not normal, you know? I'm going to share a story about my life which I haven't done this before, but I think this is high time, and I'm live and I'm in the moment and I'm going to share it. So what do you have to say about Sushant's death? I am talking about that, Yogita. I am talking about Sushant's death. I am talking about this suicide that happened because of something maybe that was disturbing him. Thank you, Pia, for uh, agreeing to what I was saying and supporting my thoughts. This is a wake up call for everyone. Yes, Samina, thank you for saying that. It is a wake up call. It's high time. I always say this and I'm saying this again. You talk about suicide जब किसी फेमस इंसान ने सुसाइड कर लिया है उसके पहले क्यों नहीं बात करते हो कि मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है तभी सीरियसली क्यों नहीं लेते हो वाई डू वी हैव टू लूज अ लाइफ टू अंडरस्टैंड मेंटल हेल्थ इज इम्पॉर्टेंट this kind of feeling. I guess I'm first time live with this kind of feeling where, you know, conducted a sexual awareness workshop in the morning and after 2-3 sessions in a day. I guess this is how I become. Thank you, Ashish, for agreeing with me. Yogita, was he in depression? He had a mental health concern. What mental health concern? I don't know. The answer to that is with Mr. Sushant only. And now nobody can answer that. Now we can only assume कि उसके साथ क्या हुआ था, okay? Because we don't have the answers. When somebody is in emotional pain, we don't want to help them. हम बोलते हैं हाँ ठीक है होता है कुछ कर लो, okay? Can you mention some symptoms so that we can come to know that someone is mentally alone? If someone reaches out through social media or through someone, couple of things I'm going to say, symptoms as in कोई बोल रहा है आई एम टायर्ड आई एम डन विथ इट आई कांट टेक इट एनी मोर आई फील लोनली पोस्ट दिखेंगे आपको जो थोड़े सैड डिप्रेसिंग से होंगे या आपको कॉल करके बोलेंगे यार मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है यू नो देर आर थिंग्स लाइक दैट मे बी हैव गिवन यू हिंट ऑफ कि अगली दिवाली तो मैं शायद नहीं हूँ क्यों नहीं हूँ एक्सप्लोर ना एक्सप्लोर व्हाट द पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू से. So these are kind of signs and symptoms that oh ye Christmas I will not see, I will not be here for Christmas. There are statements that people would give, such kind of statements that people would give out, and the thing that you can do to help people out immediately is say that I am here for you, we can figure this out together, and reach out to professionals. If you cannot reach out to paid professionals, there are free professionals available. Hi Grijesh, Inner Sight, I'm sure Mahesh or Ajanta, someone's joined from there. Hi Shreyas. Yes, 4 days ago, his ex-manager also jumped from the 14th floor and committed suicide. So we need, my brothers joined in. Hi Ashish, hi Bhavya. Lot of people are in shock. As I was saying, somebody mentioned, Shreyas mentioned here that ex-manager also jumped from the 14th floor. So we need these instances to tell us mental health is important. Is this what we've reached? Can't we pay attention to mental health and say, you know what, it is important and not wait for a life to be lost? And वो भी famous life होगी तभी हम बात करते हैं. I have said these things n number of times and today I just couldn't stop myself to come to this instant live session and talk about it because people are talking about why suicide. Hi Naina, thanks for joining in. Hi Yogesh, good evening. Please give us some tips for being mentally healthy. First of all, create a mental health routine. जैसे आपका एक physical health routine है वैसे आपका mental health routine please बनाइए. Hi Rachel, thanks for joining in. Please create a routine for your mental health. आप रोज़ ब्रश करते हो, रोज़ नहाते हो, ओके, रोज़ कपड़े बदलते हो, डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, वैसे ही प्लीज़ गो टू अ मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल टू फिगर आउट इफ़ यू आर इमोशनली फाइन और इफ़ पीपल अराउंड यू आर डूइंग ओके. We don't need to wait for a life to be lost to say that you know what mental health is important. उसको depression होगा, वो lonely feel कर रहा होगा. Now you're going to come to conclusions like this because we don't have answers. We don't know actually what was happening to him, right? Or rather him, so many people who are committing suicide, we don't know that they were going through this emotional pain alone. And it was just, imagine, it was so much to an extent that people couldn't bear it and just didn't want it to live anymore. Just talk to your closed ones. Yes, to talk to your closed ones. Hi Kajal, thanks for joining. Share with somebody what you're going through. Speak up before you give up. This is what I want all of you all here on my live session now, or who's going to watch later, is to speak up to somebody. सुसाइड वाले पर्सन के कैसे काउंसलिंग करें? First of all, you have to be trained to do counseling for someone who is going through symptoms of suicide. Hi, Anupam, for joining in. Um, Tell them you're there for them. That's the first thing I guess you can do, is tell them you're here for them and you can figure this out together, and speak to a professional. Speak to a psychiatrist, speak to a psychologist. Tell their family members to have a look on them, keep a check on them. And as I said, create a mental health routine for yourself. Please take care of your mental health as you take care of your physical health. These are invisible wounds which we cannot see. Yes, Shruti, glad you joined in. When you say we talk to our closed ones, how do we trust that they don't judge us and not leak our secrets? If you are scared to speak to your closed ones and you feel they will judge you, there are people who are trained professionals out there who are trained to not judge you. Speak to them. Please, please speak to somebody when you feel that there is something emotionally happening to you and you are not able to understand or what uh, I can do about it. Speak to somebody who is trained to do this. I'm so tired now. But I'm glad all of y'all joined in. I think I have covered all the points of what y'all asked me. And for whoever joined in, thank you so much for being part of this very casual conversation right now. I hope y'all understand. Spread the word. Spread this video if y'all want to. Spread any message. Spread, the note that I've shared, that, speak up before you give up. Please do that. Thanks, Amina. Thank you, Ashish. Yes, I will take rest. Thank you, Yogita. Please share the message to people. Tell them that they can speak to somebody. They can speak to a professional when they want to. They need to, and be there for someone. And if you don't know, I and Kajal were working on a course. Take care, relax, Rachna. Yes, Sabina, I will do that. You too, take care and some rest. Yes, Shruti, thank you. Thank you so much for all your care and concern for me. I'm glad that this is coming out now. Stay safe, take care. Thank you, Pia. Thank you, Tasneem. Yes, always there for all of you. I am here if anybody needs to speak to a professional. You want to talk to me, reach out to me. I'm there. You can DM me, you can message me on WhatsApp if you have my number, or on my social media. I will surely reach out. I have created this course, ABC of Mental Health, which is also my book, and the book is available on Amazon, and you can reach out and read about it. But if you haven't read that book, I have created a course now which is available online. I will share those details also with all of you all now, because I think this is the right time to put that course out, and you can share it with people who might need it, and know how you can take care of your mental health and also take care of somebody else's mental health at this time. I am going to have it at a very reasonable rate, so don't worry about the costing, but please, please reach out to a mental health professional, because life is more important right now over here, and your mental health is very, very, very important. And before I end this live session, I want all of you all to do one thing, is share it, because you never know who needs it. At least now understand when I make that statement that you never know who needs it. Please pass on the number. Sometimes, some people just call me who found my number years ago, and they reach out when they need. So please do that. You really never know who needs it. So pass on as much as you can. If you agree with me, Grijesh, thank you so much, Yash, for agreeing with me. Shruti, I'm glad you were here, part of this impromptu live session that I did. before I end my day and get to my cooking. Uh, I'm glad that you are openly saying that you would love to have a session with me, Ashish. Thank you so much. You can get in touch, on direct message, and I will take it from there with you. We will surely do a webinar type of thing where we can reach out to a lot of people on this. I would love to do it. Thank you, everyone, once again for joining in. Take care of yourself and of people around you. Lots of love to all of you all. Bye bye.